Hello and welcome. Okay, today we are looking at the new world building template vault. So this vault, it's the exact same style and structure and custom CSS and everything else that made Disgraceland. However, the entire example world has been removed. And what I mean by that is there are no characters, there are no locations, lore, territories. There is nothing except for examples. As you can see, we just have person 1 here, person 2, their roles, just one district, one territory, one faction, just one template for each one. We have a simple main dashboard at the top where you can put in each of your own main headings that you want to use, which, if you need to know, is just done with the cards. They're right here. Just put in whatever note you want to link to and give it a heading title. Give it an image, and you're good. You'll have a section here, just like in Disgraceland, where you can dive deeper into your world. We have a very simple calendar page, just a little right sidebar that you can copy and drag out wherever you want to. Just an example calendar here showing you how it can be laid out. We have a separate culture, subheading 2 here. There is nothing to it. It's an example you can use if you want. Otherwise, just remove it all. We have a quick page here just showing you different data cards that you can do. Just a quick different layouts, different ideas and examples, just for visual reference. In case you want to lay it out different pages in different ways, you can come here and see how they're all kind of set up individually. We have a quick timeline page with a bunch of different examples that you can go in and see how they're created, how they're laid out, how they're different, how they're all set up. Many different examples, and you can set up your timeline any way you need to here. Okay, and finally, in the finer details section, we have the map. So the map is still the same map as it was in Disgraceland, only because I just drew this map, and it's a pretty good example. So what this is this is just a PNG file. It's just something I drew out in Illustrator. And if we come into the leaflet settings, we'll see it's just right here. It's just a PNG file that I have linked in right here. And then, of course, all your separate settings down here. But I'm going to go over all this map stuff in another video, hopefully soon. And then just to come back to the map. So it works the same as it does in Disgraceland. However, there is no, aside from the names of the districts, there is no Disgraceland people or anything on the interactive map. You can, of course, just add as you need to, add your individuals, add whatever. If you hold Alt and click out, you'll be able to measure the distance on your map if you have set the latitude and longitude properly within the leaflet settings, but you just hold Alt and click out and you'll be able to drag and measure any way you need to. And then going down, we have recently updated characters, just like it was in Disgraceland. However, the people are just generic characters here. There is nothing too special about them. Their only known associate is the other person, showing you how it's linked. Their appearances, it's just walk through how it's just a simple, basic one-person setup. There is nothing is filled out. You can fill it all in as you need to, change it as you need to. The same goes for the districts, the territories, the factions. They are all just simple. There is nothing there to them. Right now, there is the house. We have just a lore template page. We just have a basic territories page. These are your districts here. And the districts, you can, the way these are laid out here, just subheadings 1, 2, and 3. If you'll notice, district is territory 1, territory 1. So that's just, all this is doing is linking to that subheading 1 that we had. Just this right here. Okay, and then simple calendar, chapters. There's only one example chapter just set up. You can add your date, add your description. The cast is already set up, showing you how it's doing it, just pulling from any tags with the chapter 1. Set up with a compact preset. We're using thumbnails, and you can put your story down here. And this is how it looks visually, of course. There is still a main chapters page. There is nothing to it yet. You're going to have to add in all your own. But this was the story of Disgraceland in the other vault. And then we have just some information, some notes here. The same with the territories call down, just showing you how it's set up, nothing in it yet. And then, of course, our last modified, everything that's been worked on recently. We have just a basic economy page, just a standard table, a standard right side tab section, and that is about it for that. The data cards we've seen, the culture we've seen, a blank canvas ready for you to go, whatever you want to do. Charts, just add them in as you need. Right now we only have 2 characters, 2 pieces of lore, and 1 territory. But this is how you can chart it all. Then we have our property key dashboard, which is, it shows every property key and tag on each file. So this is a very handy reference page to have and to reference whenever you need to organize your tags or see who's where and so forth. And that is a quick rundown of the new just sample world building template vault. Just everything that made Disgraceland, however, the entire example world and any reference to any Disgraceland universe has been removed. So if you're looking for just the template, just something bare bones that you can start building on immediately, this might be the better option. So for now, this vault is available on Disgraceland.io, same with Disgraceland. Coming up soon, we're going to be doing walkthroughs of the leaflet plugin, properly setting up the map and making it work. We're going to be doing walkthroughs of setting up your own custom charts. We're going to be doing a deep dive into the visual data cards, just going over how we can set those up properly and get those to look the way we want to and as detailed as we want to. We'll do a proper walkthrough of all of those things and a lot more. So please like and subscribe and follow along. I'm Mark with Pratt Design. We'll see you down the road.